family. Happy Friday, guys. It's the weekend. I hope you all have a pleasant weekend. And oh my God, we just hit 1,000 family members on here. Yay! Thank you all so very much for sharing your love with us. We appreciate you guys so much. But y'all, I don't want to hold up your time, so let's get right into today's video, okay? So I am making my hair treatment, actually my daughter's hair treatment, and I'm using two ingredients, but later on I'm going to add in some essential oil here, but that'll be later on in the process. So from the start, I'm using two ingredients, and that is my aloe vera and my rice. I've already washed my rice. I added about half cup of water, and I'm going to let that sit on the stove top for about 10 minutes. Moving on to my aloe vera, you all know the drill here. If you do, let me know in the comment section why is the aloe vera sitting in the water before proceeding to use it. Let me know in the comment section if you've been washing and if you've been listening. All right, family, let me know. So that's my aloe vera. It is ready. Now I'm going to sift my aloe vera because I only want pure gel. All right, I'm trying to get rid of the lumps in it. Like I said, I only want pure gel. So I'm trying to sift my aloe vera, and then we're going to move on to adding the rice. Now with the rice, you don't need that much rice. Probably a handful of rice is going to be enough. You don't need a lot of rice because once you put the rice on the stove top with some water in there, it's going to swell. So maybe less than a half cup of rice is enough for this. I'm also sifting my rice just to get the rice water. And oh my God, family, this process is way much better if you are trying to get your rice water. If you ever try getting rice water by putting the rice in a jar and adding in some water in there and just let it sit for a couple of days, you know how that can be smelly. It is good to use rice water, but if you do not like the stench or the odor of the rice water, you can try using it this way and it's still going to work. So that's the good thing about it. All right, family, so if you ever going to try it, let me know in the comment section when you do, okay? Now moving on to my essential oil, I'm going to be adding in a few drops of my essential oil. I'm going to mix it, and then we're going to put this into my applicator's bottle, and we're going to move on to application, guys. Alright, y'all, it's application time. So I've already sectioned her hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply this treatment onto Vanessa's hair. I'm going to leave it on for an hour before washing it out. If you made it this far in the video but haven't yet smashed that subscribe button, please don't hesitate to do so. It is absolutely free to become a member of this amazing growing family. On here, we do DIY natural hair products. We do DIY home decor, home remodeling, vlogging, and so much fun stuff here. To see all of those things and more, please smash that subscribe button to become a member. And also, if you liked the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Keep watching, family. Alright family, so that's the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and also go ahead and smash that subscribe button to become a member of this family. Again, thank you all for sharing your love with us, our 1,000 family members and counting. We love you all. May God bless you all. You all have a very blessed weekend. See you all in the next one. Bye.